Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to scan QR code on the Android. So if you have some QR code and you want to scan them, how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So if you have latest Android device, you can find it by default in your camera. But if you have old Android device, this feature is not available. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the QR code scanner, and multiple applications will appear here. Now you have to download any from here. So I have already downloaded it on my phone. So I simply open it. After that, camera will open and you have to scan in this way. As you can see, it scanned the code and this is the website. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.